has broken the misconceptions that people have about Islam. The first woman is giving us an example that yes, Islam does not forbid a woman from getting ahead, from achieving success, from doing business. Alhamdulillah. And let me bring your attention that all these rights had been given 1400 years back. The whale. Alhamdulillah, we have a live example. Dr. Hira Sheikh ma'am and her entire team. The whale is never a hindrance in achieving the kind of success that Allah has blessed ma'am. Alhamdulillah. It's not just the Quran that proves it, but we can see it in application today in the 21st century. Now, it's my sincere advice to all those ladies who have come here to attend the program to take this event as a learning and to make a promise today that inshallah we are going to lead lives which will benefit not just our home but the entire humankind. We will think out of the box and we will succeed in the businesses, in our professions, because we need to show man what Islam has to offer him. We need to show humanity that Islam has solution to all the problems of the world. All those women, do you know that there are women who do a job of 24 hours? Yes, there are women right in this room, everywhere around you, in your families, who do a job of not 8, 24 hours. And I am referring to those housewives, those homemakers who do everything, but they say that we are just a homemaker, we are just a housewife. But everyone knows that after Allah's help, if we are able to arrange this program, it's because of their efforts. And for them, they have a very important role to play in helping in the halal earnings. Remember, my sisters, I salute to you for your efforts day in and day out for your families. You are the real woman who will shape the future tomorrow. And your cradle is the first school that a man has. So for these ladies, let me tell you that whatever you're doing as a mother, as a wife, as a daughter, the efforts you put in day in and day out, the efforts that your family cannot see, and it's between you and Allah. Remember that when your back is aching, when you are sweating, remember that all this is being recorded with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in a clear book. It's a good deed, my sisters. Whatever you do for your families is a good deed. So do not consider yourself as a mere housewife. And the role that you can play in a halal business is to tell your fathers, your brothers, your sons, tell them to have patience and earn only the halal way. And alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us Hera Group, where we don't have to worry that we are involving in riba. We don't have to worry that we are being disobedient to Allah. And alhamdulillah, you will see the success coming your way when you please your Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now, let me begin with the wonderful achievements that Hera Group has gone through. One sight of Dr. Hira Sheikh ma'am, founder and CEO of Hera Group, would remind you of the power that Allah can give a single Muslim woman. MashaAllah. There are more than 40,000 investors of Hera Group around the world, which simply means that 40,000 families have saved themselves from involving in riba. Hera Group of companies has helped remove the vicious cycle of poverty from many homes. When Dr. Nohera Sheikh Ma'am was once told, "Madam, let us ignore our small investors. We are already getting big investors." Nohera Sheikh Ma'am replied, Maybe Allah is running this company by the du'as of these small investors, and providing help to those in need is the actual goal of my life. Alhamdulillah, subhanallah. Today, mashallah, Hera Group has more than 18 companies which are internationally registered and recognized. And it's my dua to Allah that may Allah increase to 100 more companies. Dr. Nohera Sheikh Ma'am is an alima herself and runs a madrasa. And she has provided excellent facilities to the orphans and students in the madrasa, which is soon becoming an example for all others madrasas to follow. Lastly, I would like to point out an important detail. When one meets Dr. Nohera Sheikh Ma'am, they will soon hear a common statement she uses when conversing, and which keeps on resonating in my ears too.